Hi everybody. In this short demonstration, I'm going to demonstrate how to add a caption to a particular image, and then I'm going to put that image into an album, or it's a part of an album, and then I'm going to make a slideshow that includes that image and demonstrate for you just how the length of that particular slide, or the duration of that slide in the slideshow, is dictated by how long I annotated the slide. So let's get going. The album, I've already put a few images into an album, and right over here I'm going to use First T-Ball Game. I'm going to select that particular album, and here we have 5 separate images that are going to be part of this short slideshow. I'm going to choose to annotate the very first slide, but I could have put an annotation on any one of the slides. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on this particular square that will make that particular image that I've selected, that first image in that row on the album, as large as it could be inside the organizer, because when I do that, it's very easy to add a caption right below it, or as I'm going to do, I'm going to add a caption, an audio caption, right here, clicking on the speaker. So I click on the speaker, and now I'm going to record the caption. This particular slideshow is a very short slideshow of Page's first T-ball game. I'm actually making the slideshow so I can demonstrate how audio captions that are made inside the organizer are used when you make a slideshow, and the duration of the slide is dictated by how long the narration of the slide is. So I think I've recorded enough here, so I'm going to click Stop. I'm going to go up and click on File, Close, and it's going to ask me if I would like to save the new audio caption. I say yes. And now I have an audio caption for this slide. Okay, I've reduced the size of the images we're looking at, and up here, if you look closely, you can see that there's a speaker symbol indicating that I've added an audio caption to that slide. I'm going to double click on it. This is a simple
and when I do that,
slideshow that we're going to be doing, starting with a caption,
the narration,
on the first slide in the slideshow. Okay, I'll stop that now, and it's certainly ran over the 5 seconds. That will be the default slide duration. All right, I'm going to close this down. Now I'm going to select all of these pictures, and I just used the shift-click approach in Windows. I clicked on the first one, held down the shift key, and clicked on the last one. I need to do that because when I actually make a slideshow, only those images that are selected are going to be in it. So I'm going to go up here to Create. I'm going to create a slideshow. And notice that the duration of each slide is going to be set at 5 seconds. And I also have indicated here, include photo captions as text. So the options are what I need them to be. I click OK. Now we're in the slideshow editor. And here is the first slide where I annotated or added the audio caption to that first image, and there it is now. It looks like I talked for 39 seconds, and we'll just play it back here. This is a simple slideshow that we're going to be doing, starting with a caption on the first slide in the slideshow. This is actually the first T-ball game of
I'm talking
Pages,
over the playback
and
annotation.
I want to make sure
now,
that
so
I'm annotating the
exactly what's
caption
be
for
heard.
the slide longer than the 7 seconds that our default slide duration will
and
be.
it's moving on,
That
and
way
notice
we can
that
see
this
everything
slide
that happens.
is being held on
the screen.
Okay, I've
as
done
long
enough
as I'm
annotation
talking. As soon
now,
as I
so
quit
I'm going to
talking,
click
it'll begin
stop.
to fade away into the second slide. As you can see now, the slideshow continues to play. I'm going to pause that. And this now concludes the demonstration. I have been using Photoshop Elements version 10. Version 9 and version 8, I believe this works properly. In version 7, there is a problem and it is not properly used, so you have to add your annotations if you're using Photoshop Elements version 7 right within the slideshow, which you can do by actually adding them by clicking on this microphone symbol up here and doing something very similar that we did in the organizer. Okay, that concludes the demonstration. I hope it was of some value to you, and I hope and appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.